Okay, when I was young, I was entered into a swim team called the Guppies. That's where beginners began. So I went to my first swim meet. It's the only sporting event my dad ever went to. And I'm sitting there and I'm all excited because my dad's going to see me race. And I dive in and I beat the kids so badly that the freaking referees disqualified me. They said he should not be in this league. My dad got pissed and he never came to another sporting event ever again. Now, I told that one time to a guy, since has passed. But anyway, he came back one day and he brought this. He said he wanted to correct the universe. And that, my friend, is freaking awesome. I always wanted to be a cop when I was growing up. Told this on a stage one time. Mayor comes up right afterwards, makes me a cop, gives me a badge. Like, dude, listen, it's never too late. Anything is possible. If you're going through tough times, just ask yourself, are those tough times preparing you for your goals? And the answer in most cases is yes.